Thurlop Shockey.
Hello guys, and welcome to part 1 of my tutorial on how to make a working Toys to Life style Scratch game in Scratch. So, first, let's title this Toys to Life game. So, you can either make this a side platformer or anything, but I'm gonna make mine a normal, a basic RPG style game. We're gonna basically kinda keep this. We're gonna keep this sprite. We're gonna rename it to player. So that's the sprite right there. Then then we're gonna uh add a few more costumes to it. We're gonna add nano, Wi-Fi code load. See, it takes a while for it to load the theme, but that's okay. Then we're gonna basically rename that to nano, and we're gonna name this to cat. This is optional, but it is recommended if you want to know which is which. Then we're gonna do like one more. We're gonna add Giga. And there is Giga. So let's get started to it. So basically, first you want a simple when a green flag is crit block. So we're gonna make, at the start, you're gonna make sure it's hidden. Then you're gonna ask enter code. Then we're gonna make it where if the right codes are entered, it will pop the right thing in. So we're gonna make it so 3 different codes, since we have 3 costumes. So first you'll want to do the first one, of course. So let's go to operators. Let's say the code is 1, and if its answer equals 1, then it will make the cat appear. Then 2 will be nano. Then 3 would be giga. So 1. Oh wait, we forgot to. Seems like we forgot to put the show block in there. So make sure you have the show button. I mean block in there. So now, when you start the project, you can type in 1 for that, 2 for nano, and 3 for giga. So 1 for cat, 2 for nano, and 3 for giga. So let's set that aside, because so we will now make our second script, which is gonna be the re-enter code script, which will just be this exact line of code. Now, since we've got that out of our way, let's get started on the next line of code, which is gonna be the move script. So when green flag is quit, forever, if then else, if then else, if then else, if then. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for WASD. So go down to sensing, grab a key, blank pressed block, then proceed to fill in the blank spots. and there is the base. So now we need to put it where it will move. So A will move us to the right. So let's add change X Y by 10. You can change it to any speed, but since this is just a base project just to show you how to make a Toys to Life style game, we will just do it by the basics. So this one will be minus these two. We'll and now we're done with the move sprite. So now when you start the project, you can type in a code, then you can finally move it, and you can then you can click it, and let's say 3. And that's all for part 1. I hope that this helped you with this with your questions and all of that of how to make a Toys to Life game in Scratch. So that's all, and I recommend you checking out my other videos. Bye.